In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay monthly on StockX with PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. PayPal offers you the option to do monthly installments on most items inside of StockX. So all that you have to do to check if this offer is available for you or on a specific item is to go to the StockX app or website and choose the item. Once you choose the item, you will be able to configure the size, see the price that you can buy now, and other information. All that you have to do here is choose buy or bid. So choose the option to buy an item or bid on that item. Then you will see the value once more, and usually if the option for PayPal monthly payments is available, it will appear right here. Pay in 4 interest-free payments of a certain value. So it will take the buy now price and divide it in 4 interest-free payments. You can choose the learn more option if you would like to get additional information. So you will see today the amount that you will pay, in 2 weeks the next following amount, in 4 weeks, and then 6 weeks, and eventually the full price of the item will be paid. So if you are satisfied with all of this, all that you have to do is proceed to checkout. If you don't see this text here or this notification, don't worry, there might still be an option to use it during checkout, so I would say just proceed to checkout now. Of course, you will have to add your address, other information, but most importantly, choose the option to add a payment method. So this is where you can finally check to see if the PayPal monthly payment option is going to be available or not. So once you choose that, you will see pay later installment options. If it is available, select the option from here. You will be redirected to PayPal, where you can sign into your account and make the payments. You can manage them either on your PayPal account or through StockX. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay monthly on StockX PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.